Hey guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to Aska Chemist YouTube channel. Today we are discussing a very new brand topic, that is must do topics for class 12 chemistry, where within 15 days you can score more than 80 marks out of 100 in your class 12 chemistry board exams. So let's start. The very first topic is P block elements, and before I start, all these topics are mentioned with respect to the new syllabus for 2021 batch. Okay. So P block elements, what topics you should never skip is group 16, 17 and 18 must do topics. Okay, structures, important processes and facts. Okay, group 15 some students leave because it's a very big group. Even I left that. Okay, but if you want you can go, but make sure you be thorough with 16, 17, 18 because from here questions like contact process, okay, oxo acids of sulfur and chlorine are normally asked. Uses of noble gases are these 2-3 mark questions come from these groups. Okay, next is electrochemistry. Okay, as per the new syllabus you should not leave Nernst equation. 1 3-mark question is every time asked. Basic idea about cells you should have. Okay, MCQs can be asked. Okay, where does zinc get oxidized, where does copper get reduced. Colruy's law of migration of ions is very important. A 2-mark MCQ or a question is always asked. And batteries. Okay, as per the new syllabus, I guess lead storage battery is removed from the syllabus. So leaving that, your Leclanche cell, primary cell, mercury cell, nickel cadmium cell you need to cover. Okay, do not study fuel cells and corrosion because it is removed from the new syllabus. Okay, next is chemical kinetics. Okay, from chemical kinetics your Arrhenius equation is removed, activation energy is removed, and collision theory is not there in our syllabus. So what you have to cover is all important definitions. What do you mean by order, molecularity, etc. Graphs. Okay, zero order, first order graph. Okay, and integrated rate equations is very important. This is a sure shot 3-mark topic in your board exams. Okay, integrated rate equations for first order and zero order. Next is surface chemistry. Again from surface chemistry you have to study the entire chapter, everything emulsions and catalysis. Emulsions and catalysis has been removed by the from the syllabus for this year due to COVID. Okay, so you need to be thorough with colloids, adsorption, absorption, physiosorption, chemisorption, etc. The next very easy topic is biomolecules. Again some topics have been removed. If you want to know what all have been removed, check the link of the PDF given in the description box below and do hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Okay, so biomolecules, you should know glucose, structure of glucopyranose and all, definitions. Okay, what is denaturation of protein, what are different types of amino acids, okay, all that, and the reactions you need to know. Okay, the reactions you need to know. Moving on, okay, we have amines. In amines, normally reasoning questions are asked 1 to 2 marks. Okay, if you take previous year papers, you might have seen that normally ABC, let's say question number 10, ABC subparts, 3 questions come for 1 mark each. Apart from that, coupling reactions is very important, which you say azodite test. Okay, para hydroxyazobenzene and para hydroxyaminobenzene. Okay, then carbylamine test, a sure shot 1 marker name reaction. Hinsberg test, again sure shot 1 mark chemical test of distinction, and sometimes they even ask ammonolysis. Okay, if you want to know the updated syllabus for chemistry, check the description, the PDF link is provided. Okay, next is alcohols, phenols, ethers. Okay, you need to know what is Kolb's reaction. Okay, 2 mark. Okay, Riemann-Tiemann reaction, 2 mark. Okay, and all the reaction mechanisms like hydroboration, Williamson's, acid catalyzed hydration, and reaction with Grignard reagent. I am making a series on alcohol phenols. Do check the playlist. Already 3 episodes have been covered. Go and watch it out to know all these important reaction mechanisms and name reaction. The last chapter, the second last chapter is aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. Okay. It's a very big chapter, but of course you need to know Cannizzaro reaction. Every year 1 question is asked. Aldol condensation and cross aldol condensation reaction. Okay, these are the most important topics, but aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, it's itself a very vast chapter and important chapter. one chapter which I have not mentioned here is D and F block elements. Okay, do check it out in your textbook. For P block and D block, just read NCERT 3 to 4 times and you are done. So I hope you found this video helpful. By knowing these 8 to 9 chapters, you can easily score 80 plus marks within 15 to 30 days if you study. Okay, do hit that like button. Check out the alcohols playlist. It's very important. Already 3 episodes have been done. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, and bye bye.